Two adventurous souls step cautiously into the heart of the unknown. A wrong turn leads to confusion as the path behind them vanishes. A dormant presence awakens, drawn by the disturbance in its realm. The air grows heavy with an ancient, otherworldly aura, freezing the friends in fear. A silent partnership forms as they accept the ghost's silent plea for help. Each step forward uncovers new terrors, challenging their resolve and courage. The ghost's ethereal touch guides them across the treacherous currents. In a moment of truth, the friends face the ghost in a final test of trust. Understanding dawns as the purpose of their harrowing journey becomes clear. Their adventure ends, but the memory of the ghost's guidance lingers on, a testament to their bravery. Their extraordinary journey becomes a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who hear it.